Can you imagine swimming in boiling water? Meet Jin Son, a man whose extraordinary ability defies all known limits of human endurance. Jin Son, a native of China, has baffled scientists and amazed audiences worldwide with his unique talent, the ability to withstand incredibly high temperatures. Unlike most of us who would suffer severe burns or worse, Jin Son can comfortably swim in water heated to a scalding 100 degrees Celsius, the boiling point of water. The secret lies in his skin. Researchers have studied Jin Son extensively and found that his skin has an unusually thick epidermal layer, which acts as a formidable barrier against heat. Additionally, his sweat glands are incredibly efficient, rapidly cooling his body even in extreme conditions. Jin Son's remarkable talent has not only made him a local legend, but also a subject of scientific curiosity. He's been featured in numerous documentaries and TV shows, demonstrating his astonishing ability. While most of us can't fathom enduring such heat, Jin Son swims with ease, making him one of the most extraordinary individuals alive. This incredible feat challenges our understanding of human capabilities and leaves us in awe of what the human body can sometimes achieve.